Let's explore the Berlin Aurora Consurgens. This splendid early 16th century German codex is a dazzling fusion of alchemy, mysticism, and art. Its pages seem to shimmer with life as complex miniatures turn hidden chemical experiments into glowing visions of divine creation. Each image opens a window onto a realm where body and soul join in a luminous dance. Produced in southern Germany around 1520, the manuscript presents a vernacular translation of the celebrated Aurora Consurgens, a text where practical alchemy and spiritual reflection are inseparable. For centuries, it was attributed to Thomas Aquinas. Today, scholars recognize it as the work of an anonymous author, writing in his spirit, a pseudo-Aquinas, whose words pulse with both devotion and curiosity. The 31 miniatures guide the reader through the mysteries of transformation, turning arcane symbols into visual poetry. Each image opens a portal into a visionary dialogue, where chemical reactions become metaphors for spiritual purification and ecstatic union with the divine. One image shows the alchemist Hermes Trismegistus greeting the ascending dawn. Golden and rose-colored light floods the page. Another depicts the planet's wheel. 7 circles link metals to the celestial spheres, gold to the sun, silver to the moon, iron to Mars, inviting us to see earthly substances as reflections of the cosmos. Birds drink from a heated vessel as vapors rise, condense, and fall again, illustrating the alchemical process of sublimation with poetic grace. Throughout the manuscript, the most sensual and daring images, depicting the mystical union of male and female figures, have been deliberately obscured with washes of pigment or scraped away. These interventions reveal the unease of later readers confronted with alchemy's corporeal metaphors, where the embrace of bodies mirrored the fusion of spirit and matter. Though the Berlin Aurora Consurgens belongs to a wider family of Aurora manuscripts, it stands apart for its vivid German prose and its cycle of brilliant miniatures. Its imagery would echo in later emblematic alchemical works, such as the Splendor Solis, where color, symbol, and moral insight converge once more into painterly form. The Berlin Aurora Consurgens remains a luminous witness to an age when science, faith, and imagination were not yet divided. It invites us to read alchemy not only as the search for gold, but as the longing for wisdom itself, the inner sunrise that still shines from its pages. The facsimile was published by Millennium Liber in Madrid in 2025.